Krishna Nidhi Clubhouse. Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about national symbols of India. National symbols are chosen to reflect Indian culture and beliefs, and also the positive attributes. So let's see the national symbols. National emblem. The four-headed lion is our national emblem that faces four different directions. National flag. Tiranga, that is tricolor, is our national flag. It has three colors and Ashoka Chakra in middle. Saffron at the top indicates courage and strength. White band in the middle indicates peace and truth. The green color at the bottom shows the fertility. Ashoka Chakra in the middle represents progress and growth. National flower. Lotus is a national flower of India. National fruit. Mango is the national fruit of India. National animal. Tiger is the national animal of India. National bird. Peacock is our national bird. National currency. Rupee is the national currency of India. National aquatic animal. Dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. National song. Vande Mataram is our national song. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. National river. Ganga river is the national river of our India. National reptile. King cobra is the national reptile of our India. National vegetable. Pumpkin is the national vegetable of India. National tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. National heritage animal. Elephant is our national heritage animal. So these were the national symbols of India. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe.